The lead change will stop that.
Shit, I'll do it.
Oh, he's on the ladder again. He's at. Oh.
That's so fucking funny.
Oh my god!
He got you!
Clip it, clip it.
Seriously?
Oh my god, what was that?
You thought I had a sledgehammer?
And a shotgun.
It was the bait loadout.
Alright, they're covered.
I fucking hate him.
Shit in here. Another school. Wait, what are you gonna use this? You're so fucked, James.
Oh shit, here it goes.
I actually can't believe that kill. That was so.
That was too easy.
Yo, those things are undestroyable. You know how much fucking damage I packed into that fridge?
There's some tabletop, are we?
I was low.
That was about half.
What the fuck? I got hit like a million times! What was that? Oh shit.
Oh my god, that's like perfect.
It's flush.
I can't see anything.
Perfect installation. If you move
Stop
your
your-
camera
stop your
around,
toss,
you
your
could see us
toss,
from
Oh
here.
yeah.
Oh wait, I've man. Never mind.
Oh, you could wire
Don't use me out.
the oven?
No!
Oh, I fucked him with the door. I'm done with the door.
They'll be gone before they get there, don't worry. Oh my god, my frame rate down. Wait, what door's one shot?
He's fucking talking.
The door? The door's one shot.
No, I hit him twice
two
with the
shot.
same door.
When I put my camera to the open, my frame rate drops to 25 FPS.
Wish I could view yourself.
You guys.